Artificial intelligence holds a significant role in revolutionizing pharmaceutical packaging and labeling processes, alongside technologies such as blockchain and automation. These advancements are reshaping the sector by optimizing operations and bolstering traceability. Here are some key areas where AI is making a notable impact. Streamlining pharmaceutical packaging. AI accelerates drug discovery, development and manufacturing processes, optimizing efficiency alongside automation solutions. Enhancing traceability. The combination of AI and blockchain technology promises improved traceability of individual drug doses, mitigating the risk of counterfeit products infiltrating the supply chain. Improving defect detection. An AI aids in enhancing defect detection in blister packaging, ensuring product quality by early identification of defects during the packaging process. Optimizing labeling processes. Incorporating AI and machine learning into labeling and artwork creation increases accuracy, reduces errors, and streamlines the labeling process, ultimately minimizing costly product recalls due to labeling inaccuracies. Increasing efficiency. AI-powered vision systems enable packaging inspection, resulting in reduced waste, minimized shipment damage, and lowered shipping costs by optimizing packaging materials usage. These advancements underscore the transformative potential of AI in pharmaceutical packaging and labeling, driving improvements in efficiency, quality control, and overall operational effectiveness. In conclusion, AI stands as a transformative force in pharmaceutical packaging and labeling, presenting solutions that enhance efficiency, accuracy, and regulatory compliance within the industry. At SolutionsMax, we pledge to lead the way as early adopters of this transformative technology in pharmaceutical packaging and labeling through our flagship ecosystem solution, PharmaMax. Explore deeper insights on pharmamax.org. Engage with our diverse knowledge management initiatives. By visiting pharmamax.org. Discover and adapt to a plethora of resources tailored to empower you across different domains. Remember, learning here can open doors to endless possibilities. Welcome to the AI series dedicated to the life sciences fraternity by Dr. Vidyasagar Kasagani, CEO, SolutionsMax Technology Services Inc.